For me, I've always been drawn to baking because it's the perfect intersection of science and art, which are always my favorite subjects. So I love the way that I get to explore that, but through food. Plus, I love hospitality, and so I love to make people happy, and good food does that. When this opportunity came up to create an in-house baking program for Deeper Roots, it was really exciting because I think there's such potential for having the connection with our customers and just really being able to create from scratch exactly what we want the bakery to be. So we've been working over the last few weeks to build a bakery in the West End roasting facility. So that's been really fun to see it come together. Located in the back, right by the roasting. We've got some really great windows, lots of natural light as we're working. So it's been really exciting to get all of the equipment picked out, everything installed and in place, and then start to assemble our team. And that's where we've really been having a good time getting the products in and starting to work on creating pastries for the shops. Having been in Cincinnati for so long, I've known about Deeper Roots for a really long time and had the opportunity to work closely with them on coffee training in the past, and have always been really impressed by the company. And there are a lot of similarities to how passionate Deeper Roots is about coffee, in the same way that I'm very passionate about food and the products that we source to turn into the pastries that we create. So that's been really exciting to learn about a different avenue. Like, I've always enjoyed coffee, but to really work with people who know so much about it, and it's been great to help to strengthen my knowledge and learn a lot about a whole different industry. You know, we're really excited to just build this program and to be able to offer new things all the time and seasonal ingredients, and just know that we're working with really good quality ingredients that we're picking intentionally to make sure that the end result is great.